Today we're going to improve the look and functionality of our MTM DIY ammo can battery box with these incredibly cool, beautifully finished and well engineered professional grade rack handles from Hammond Manufacturing. These things look absolutely amazing on here. In this video we're going to show you how to put these on and upgrade the look of your ammo box. So stick with us. Here's everything you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is the rack handles, and these are from Hammond Manufacturing. And what I was looking for is I was looking for the absolutely perfect rack handle. As you can see, we have a very narrow space over here of about maybe 2 inches on center. And conventional sources failed me this time until I stumbled upon Hammond Manufacturing. I contacted them and told them about the project, and they actually had the perfect handle for this DIY project. And that's this. They call it their 1427E. Here are the specs on it. They actually make thousands of products. Anything from electrical boxes to server racks. And just to give you an idea, this is all the stuff they have on the 427E as far as the sizes, the depth, the diameter. Just really a fantastic job they do. I mean, it takes a whole team of people to come up with something like this and to offer this kind of detailed information. So they have a lot of great spec sheets. But anyway, the particular model, and I'll give you guys a link at the end of the video where you can go to get these. This is these come in black and silver, and this particular one is the 1427E1BK-1. That's what we're going to use. In addition to that, you like to pick up some quarter beveled washers with a 9/16 inch outside diameter. And you see those little beveled washers, that's what they look like. 4 regular washers. The handles come with screws and star washers, incidentally, but get 4 regular small washers like this. You're going to need some CA glue. In this case, I've got some Crazy Glue I'm going to use. Some lipstick, if you don't have any. This is from the dollar store. We're going to need this to actually mark where we're going to drill. Possibly use an X-Acto blade, a Phillips screwdriver, a 7/64 inch drill bit. I put some tape on this just as a stopper. I don't have any collets for this thing, so this tape is going to stop it as far as, you know, drilling depth, and a toothpick. So I'm going to open all this stuff and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the lid from our battery box so we can just work on the lid and not have to worry about the battery. And we're going to take our rack handles and our beveled washers and we're going to slip them over like this. Okay, except we're going to go a little bit past what we need. Alright, and we're going to take our lipstick. We just need to do this with one. And we're going to mark it like that. Just put a little lipstick on the edge all the way around. Do that on both sides. Okay, and we want to have a good amount because we want to know exactly where to drill that hole. We don't want to be drilling a large hole in here, and being that the material of the lid is plastic, we want as small a hole as possible so the screw just fits in there and we get the best possible contact. Okay? Now that we've done that, we're going to push these up a little bit past the screw hole on the handle. Okay, you see the actual hole in there is a little bit deeper, so we're going to push this past it. Okay, so right about there is flush, and then we're going to go past it like that. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our box, we're going to position it on there. I'm thinking right about there, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. I think that's a good spot. That looks about even to me. I want to make sure that that's right in the center. That's right in the center, and then I'm just gently, very gently, going to push this down. Press it firmly and remove it, and that's where I'm going to drill, right on that edge. So our circle is right there, right where that indentation starts. Let's take a look at it this way. Pop these off a second and see where we're at. Okay, so now we're going to drill it. That's one. That's two. We're going to take our screws, put them on the cordless screwdriver, and see where we're at with these. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot a step here. We're going to take our lock washers or star washers that we got. We're going to fit those through there. These screws came with the Hammond handles. And we're going to put our additional washer on that so it looks like that. Now we're going to try it. See that popping through? Nope, not yet. There it is. Well, I think that hole's just a little bit too small. So we're just going to shave it. Looked about right, but we're just going to shave it a little bit with an X-Acto. Just a little. We'll do the same thing with the other one. And that kind of creates a bevel itself. So hopefully that'll be enough to get this done here. Oh, success. We just want it poking through. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, we're going to take our star washer, put it through the screw right there. Take our other washer, put it through. I already beveled the other side. Let's pop it on here like that. And here we go. Okay. Just use the other one. So we're going to take this one now and see how we line up. And it looks like we're right on target. So we're going to take a little CA glue, a little bit of our crazy glue. Just going to put some on the lid here. Like that. So got a little bit of crazy glue on here. I'm going to take this toothpick and I'm just going to put a little bit on each one. Okay, a little bit there, a little bit there. Then I'm just going to press down. That's it. Now these are now flush. Now we're going to install these. Try to get the one threaded here. I think we're good. Let's get the other one in there. Bring it down. Let's get the other side down. Like that. Get them nice and snug. Okay. That's how our rack handle is going to look. That's how it is on the back side of that. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing for the other side and come back and show you the finished product. So here's the lower portion of our battery box with our battery sitting in there, and we're going to pop the lid back on. Both handles have been installed. Flip it, shut it, and there it is. Done. Pretty strong. They look good. They actually look pretty cool. You know, with these beveled bases on there, I think it really just gives a really nice look. You guys can see it like that. Kind of looks like equipment. It doesn't look like your plastic ammo box anymore. Now it's starting to look like something else. So I thought this was a pretty cool addition. These are about $5 each, approximately. So you'll have to check the actual price, but yeah, I remembered, yeah, you know what, this is no big deal, but just a huge upgrade in the look of the project. And yeah, I think you might want to consider popping these on here. These are a satin kind of finish. They're not real glossy, so they don't really attract a lot of attention, but just enough to let you know that they're there. Okay, and it kind of matches the sheen on these beveled washers as well. And you see that? They're almost perfectly matched. I mean, they look like they were made to go together. So, that's it. Thank you, Hammond Manufacturing, for supplying these. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And we're going to continue, you know, adding stuff to this battery box and making it something more than it currently is. Take care, everybody.